Welcome to JH. Have you heard of Wagon.com? It's marketed as a modern copy trading platform where you can basically mimic the trades of experienced investors to make life easy. Sounds like a dream, right? Because nothing says financial freedom like letting a total stranger drive your bank account into a ditch. But the big question remains, is this platform actually legit? Let's break it down before your wallet does. First off, Wagon claims to have over 100,000 users. That's a lovely number, but a quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a much darker reality. While depositing money and picking traders is suspiciously smooth, withdrawing your funds is where the magic happens. Users report that amounts ranging from $346 to $2,500 simply vanish. The platform says completed, but the bank account says absolutely not. Support tickets are either ignored or closed without help, which is a great way to handle customers if your business model is highway robbery. Then there's the domain registration. It turns out Wagon was registered in July 2025. Yes, they're apparently operating from the future, which explains why your money is so hard to find in the present. Being brand new isn't always a crime, but when it comes to handling your life savings, most people prefer a platform with a history longer than a TikTok trend. Security and trust are usually earned, not just claimed on a landing page. Here's another red flag. The team is invisible. There's no info on founders or management. It's like a financial institution run by ghosts. Credible companies usually like to show who's in charge, but Wagon seems to be playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek. They also have zero presence on Facebook or Instagram. Apparently, they're too exclusive for social media, or maybe they just don't want a comment section full of people asking where their rent money went. Finally, let's talk about their world-class support, which consists of a single email address. No phone number, no live chat, just a digital message in a bottle. If you have a problem, you can scream into the void and wait for an automated reply that will never come. So what's the verdict? With withdrawal failures, a non-existent history, anonymous owners, and zero social proof, Wagon.com looks about as reliable as a screen door on a submarine. Stay safe, stay skeptical, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this.